but of solicitude for your welfare which cannot end but with my life, and the apprehension of a danger natural to that solicitude, urge me on an occasion like the present to offer to your solemn contemplation and to recommend to your frequent review some sentiments which are the result of much reflection, of no inconsiderable.
87 years ago, our fathers brought forth on this continent a new nation, conceived in liberty and dedicated to the proposition that all men are created equal.
And fellow citizens,
Now we are engaged
called upon to undertake the duties of the first executive office of our country. I avail
We, the
myself
people,
of the
cannot
presence
stand
and
that.
portion of my
Our aim
fellow
must be
citizens
steady,
which
wise,
assembled
fun.
to express my
It would be well if our people would study the history of the sister republic. All the woes of France for a century and a quarter have been due to the folly of her people in putting into
Speak
the
softly and carry a big stick.
unreasonable conservatism and unreasonable rights. Had free
The house
revolutionary France
divided
listened to
against
men like
itself
Turgot,
cannot stand.